Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make a spicy tangy chutney for idli, dosa, paniyaram, variety of idlis and dosas also. So the ingredients are kodamulagai, bhaji mulagai, tomato, gingerly oil, salt. I have chopped bhaji mulaga like this. Kodamulaga also have chopped. Tomato also have chopped. So on the pan, pour 5 to 6 tablespoons of gingerly oil, grease it. First add kodamulagai, saute it, then add bhaji mulagai, cook it for some time. Add salt. Off the stove, allow it to cool, then grind it in mixie. Now again in the same kadai on the stove, pour 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, grease it. Add the grinded paste. Grind cooked milagai and raw tomato in mixie jar. No need to cook tomato. Add required amount of salt. Close it with lid. Keep it in medium flame for 5 to 10 minutes. Already these chilies are cooked only, no? So it won't take too much time to get cooked. Just you can off it in 5 to 10 minutes. See, the bhaji mulagai, kudamulagai chutney is ready with beautiful color.